Hello everybody, yes, I got something new for everyone out there. Remember to subscribe. I'm gonna do another meal that's under $10. So get ready for a real interesting treat today. Get ready, okay? We're gonna do shredded chicken. And I start with letting you know that this is under $10. We're not going to fix the whole pack. This is boneless chicken breasts, and I caught it for $1.99 a pound. 5 pieces. I cut it in the middle. See, not only I cut it in the middle, but when I cut it up in the middle, this is all I do. Take one out. Rinse it real good. Take my cutting board here. I was cutting up some onions. Yeah, I was cutting up some onions. Okay? I was cutting up the onions because I'm gonna mix these onions with the cilantro. Because I'm gonna make some chicken quesadillas. But not only, you can make chicken quesadillas with this chicken breast. I'm going to cut it in the middle and make chicken strips. Let me get a bigger knife. A big one. You know? Cut it in the middle. Like that. See? 2 pieces. This is some fat right here. I'm going to shred that off. Get rid of it. Strips. Even though I cut it like that, I cut the whole roll and I make them into strips. Make the strips to the size that you feel, and I also will cut it down the middle of some of these strips. Notice, I split it in half, and I went down the middle because I want mine to be somewhere around that size. Not only with shredded chicken breasts, this is what I did. See, this has the chipotle. So use any chipotle type of sauce, or if you know how to make it the homemade way, I preferably use this. But I would use this one, the ranchero one, when I'm using beef. So I'm going to save this for later on, maybe tomorrow. We might have, like, you know, our own chicken bowls. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Put this right in the refrigerator. But in the meantime, why is I'm showing y'all this? Because what I've done, hold up, give me a minute. Then we have cilantro. Y'all remember what I said about cilantro? It is good for stress, and it helps with stress. It has a whole lot of minerals and vitamins in it. And basically, the cilantro I'm gonna mix that with the onions because I want that to go inside the chicken quesadilla. So in the meanwhile, there's the cilantro and onions. I'm going to mix it up, and usually when I get ready for my chicken quesadilla, I have one already. Notice, it's verde style, so it got some of that verde in it. Now, then you have your cheeses and stuff ready. So in the meantime, there's a whole lot of new things we're going to start doing. Hopefully later on in the video, I'm going to do something because I just got finished doing an unboxing. MC, my son is the cameraman. I got finished doing this unboxing of this, the microscope. So that's why I'm wearing this lab jacket, so we can look at the molecules and stuff. And then basically, I'm going to plug this thing up and put it to the laptop so y'all can check out the molecules in some of these things. Y'all know I like kidding. So we can look and see how healthy we can really get. And you can also charge it up or put the batteries in. So I did this unboxing, and let's really get this show started. Yes, I got on my mad and glad scientist wig, but now we're finna really get booking. So on the other half of this video, y'all will see the done meal process. And I just hope y'all just continue to watch the rest of this, and I may show y'all the molecules. And if you're doing chicken bowls or quesadillas, sometimes, you know, when you finish it off, you might want to try it with some kind of sour cream. I have my tortillas ready. This one, or a real big one. Or a real big one. So, you know, but I'm going to make these size ones. And until then, give me a second, and y'all going to see me in the process of cooking this up. And I'm going to take this wig off to get things really pop. The shredded cheese, I got finished shredding up some stuff. I'm getting ready to hook it up on the stove. So, you know, and then I always use like a little spray can thing. Okay, let me heat it up. Put this right here. And then, if my son will notice, not only am I shred it up, but then at the same time, for tomorrow, you know, like I said with the chicken bowl. So I may have a small can, a big can. I always like, you know, get the can like this. And you know, these beans are perfectly good, perfectly done. Sometimes you can warm them up real longer. But see, it got their own preservatives and stuff in it. So what I do, I strain, drain, and flush out that. Okay? And I put it in the pot. And when I put it in the pot, I shake it. I make sure I get all of them. When I pour it in here, I add a little water. Now you know, I normally say alkaline. A little water. And this is the other trick I do. And I make it red. Either chipotle beans or I put a little spice on it. Smash it up. It tastes good with burritos, stuff like this. Everything I'm making, you can make burritos, refried beans, and don't forget the white or the brown rice. So that's the meal that's going to be ready for tomorrow. We're going to have a little of it tonight. And check out the way this over here is working. Do y'all see that? That's that birdie with cilantro. Sometimes I don't put the cilantro in there. I just put the onions. But I'm just adding that to let you know I got more to put in there if I feel so free. Let's get this started. I stir this in. And this makes the beans look kind of sort of red. So you can have your own chicken bowls. And your own quesadillas. Unplugged stuff. get the quesadilla thing ready. Tortilla. So one right there. I'll open up another pack. So you watching the food? Well, let's check out this over here. Quick as possible. Now I got that skillet heating up, y'all. Let's make one real quick so y'all can get a good idea of what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put some chicken in there. I'm gonna spread it around. Put some cheese on it. Spread it around. Spread it around. So you can make chicken quesadillas. You can make chicken quesadillas. Or you can make a spinach quesadilla. Any kind of quesadilla you feel free to make it. Yeah. What do I do with the other tortilla? Now I gotta make this. Make me one. I flattened it with the spatula also, y'all. Right over here, shit, you keep your eye on that quesadilla here? DMC? Yes or no?
Yes.
Do y'all hear? Sometimes I can chop up this chicken smaller. Sometimes I might throw some beans in there. And I also made some brick chili Fritos. And check out that skillet. Watch this. And this is what you want here. Until next time, remember. To subscribe. I like to move the pot around. And I like to make it always be something like this. The thing need to let the poly down a little bit. So I can do a quick spray. Smash it. You can cut it down the middle. Do y'all see that technique? You can already have it there, and it's ready to go on the plate. Let me bring this down. Oh man, some fell out a little bit, but you know. Bring the fire down. And until next time, as I always say, recovery is an inside job. See you until next time. Keep coming back. Eat. Well, shit. This is how far I got. Maybe we can get it down here so you can take a good look in the gander. Until next time, check it out. Recovery is an inside job. Let's see how this thing really tastes. Till next time, peace.